Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 30, 2024. 3 star Sudoku. Column A, column C, on 9th grade, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. And then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row and fifth row, column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 4. Column E, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then sixth row, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 4 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 6, 7. Column E, we have 3, 4 and 7. The 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We'll confirm later. And then fourth row, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 3. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column G, column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, second row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 8. So it can't come the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row and fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Second grade, column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 3, 8. Third row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Second row, we have 8. So it can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second grade, column D, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, column A and column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column A and second row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. First row 3 numbers are remaining 5, 6, 7. Column H and second row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third row, column A, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column A, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade and 7th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, column A, we have 8. Column C also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 7, 9. 8th row and 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th grade and 5th row, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. First grade and second row, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column A and 7th grade. Column A, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 7. Sorry, 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th grade, column C, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th grade, column I, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 6. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th grade, column I and 9th row, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.